Today's Wednesday?
Yes.
Today's Wednesday. June like 23rd, I think. June 24th.
26, babe.
26.
Wow.
And we're going to the beach. We're going to North Wildwood Beach. But first we gotta get gas.
Yes, sir.
We gotta drop this Redbox movie off.
That she never does on time.
And we got a cooler full of like drinks and food and stuff like that. And I can't wait. Because it's gonna be the only time I probably go to the beach since I'm about to have the baby in 3 weeks. And I'm also very close to having a baby, so yay!
You locked that door, right, babes?
Yeah. What door?
The front door.
Yeah.
Like, we made it, babes.
Make sure you get me too.
There she is.
You know, just,
Driving a Joker.
just cruising.
Where, baby, I don't care.
Get the sign, North Wildwood.
Got it right there, baby. Hollywood. Babes, look where we're at, babes.
Hey, babes.
Oh, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Not the Joker. In case anybody didn't see it, it's a Joker over there.
The baby is squish. The baby don't like being this close. Babes, what to do?
Alright, we're gonna make a left.
A left.
Wildwood, y'all. Wildwoods. Yeah. And now she's complaining that Brandon is coming because she has really sharp pains.
I have really sharp pains and it hurt really bad.
Well, if he's born in Jersey, babe, we can't tell him he was born out here. Got rid of him, babes. Run. Hey, chill.
I'm scared.
Take attack and seals, yo. What the hell, babes?
I never win at that one. If I want to die and I was really serious over my life, I want to ride like that. Oh, that's how you do it? Oh, that looks fun. It's only $10. Oh, that's fine. I got a cheesesteak, buffalo strip. He got chicken parm. He got mozzarella sticks, and we got cheese fries. You got it sideways?
Yeah. Wow. Come on, babe.
Don't be shy.
I want right.
And he got me a beer.
I thought that was outside.
On our way home.
Oh, watching a movie now.
Watching a movie. Training day.